Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? We have another day in the markets today. It is Wednesday, Hump Day, August 14th, 2019. Let's get it going. So, holy shit, what did we see in the market yesterday? That decision from Trump coming out of Washington, as far as putting a little bit of delay on tariffs coming out of China until after Christmas, was definitely a smart move for the economy. As you can see, the street definitely took advantage of and pushed everything parabolic across the board. Yeah, it was almost right at the bell. I think it was at the 9:45 mark that we just saw everything just kind of skyrocket across the board. So a lot of securities got a nice little bump in price. Perhaps maybe not all should be at these elevated prices, but nonetheless, there was a nice bull run yesterday going across the board. Definitely, you saw a lot of consolidation after the excitement kind of subsided a little bit and pretty much consolidated the rest of the day. But there was a lot of opportunity right out the bell. What definitely caught our interest was Roku. We're going to talk about Roku shortly, but we're going into our watches. We have four. Right, so we got four on our watch list, and let's get into it. So yesterday we saw obviously Tesla, have a very strong across the board. Obviously, all sectors had a strong run, but Tesla closed just shy of 6 points to the upside. They're obviously holding their 225 level quite nicely, so they're putting in a higher lows and higher highs, obviously from this pullback. So it's something to keep in mind. You're obviously sitting on the 50-day moving average on the daily, so it's looking for that bounce. We're seeing some action after hours and pre-market this morning, so we're bullish on Tesla if it can hold its VWAP to the north side, and any type of pulls back to mitigate at VWAP will take it. Next up, we got Spotify. Again, Spotify is holding that 50 nicely. We have a 149 as a support level that's kind of bouncing off of. It bounced off early in the morning and obviously went parabolic with everybody else. It's going to continue to hold this level. You have a little bit of action after hours in pre-market that could change the sentiment, but right now we're bullish on Spotify. Netflix took obviously it closed just shy of 1.5 points. That being said, it's not looking too strong coming off that gap. Gap down in the middle of July, it ran into resistance as we see that 200-day on the daily pulling back and just cracking lower and lower. It did find some support just south of the 300 level, but not looking like it's too strong right now. So we're bearish on Netflix. If it's going to show any weakness and keep getting stuffed out at VWAP, then we'll be able to mitigate to the downside. So we're going to wrap it up here with Roku. Roku, obviously, as had that earnings on the 8th and just went bananas from that point on. Ran into resistance. What did it peak out at? About 142.10, and then it just started putting in lower highs and lower lows and just kind of fade out all day long. So backsides in. Very, very possible. You've seen some obviously more selling pressure pre-market as well. That being said, we're going to have a look and see if this thing's going to continue. If it does, we're going to have an initial 130 price target with the final 125 price target to the downside. So that's what we got going on in our watch list today. So as always, guys, we want to see how we're doing it, how we're trading these stocks, how we're building our watches. We encourage you, we invite you to come check out the site at thestreettrading.com. Sort you out on the 90-day course, answer all those questions, get your conviction and your confidence where it needs to be to succeed in this business. So as always, guys, reach out to us, give us a call, shoot us an email, whatever works for you. We are here for you. Have a great day in the markets, guys. Be very, very patient with pricing your setups. And as always, respect your stops. All right, guys, have a great day in the markets, and we're going to check you later.